You packed extra layers. Good. But do you know how to actually use them? The 10 essentials won't save you, not unless you know how to use them. And layers? Layers are the ones people get dangerously wrong, because packing warmth is not the same thing as managing temperature. I teach the 10 essentials. I carry them. I believe in them. But I see this over and over again. Hikers start cold, so they overdress, they hike hard, they sweat, then they stop. Now they're wet. And wet hikers get cold fast. Layers aren't about staying warm. They're about staying dry. And that's the difference. Do you know when to remove a layer? Before you start sweating? Or after you get damp? Do you regulate in climbs or descents? In the wind? Because the goal isn't heat. The goal is temperature control. Base layer. It should move moisture, not trap it. Mid layer. It should insulate, not suffocate. Outer layer. It should block wind and moisture, but still breathe. And here's what nobody's talking about. The biggest mistake is waiting too long to adjust. You should feel slightly cold when you start hiking. Not cozy, not bundled, slightly cold. Because movement creates heat, and sweat is the real enemy, especially in the winter. Once you're wet, you're on borrowed time. Experienced hikers still get into trouble, not because they didn't pack layers. It was because they didn't know how to manage them. Confidence in your gear isn't the same as skill in your system. So here's your challenge. On your next hike, adjust early. Take a layer off before you feel hot. Put one on before you feel chilled. Train your awareness, because knowledge weighs nothing, and dry hikers stay warm. But here's the harder truth. Even perfectly managed layers cannot protect you if you're stuck. If weather rolls in, if you twist your ankle, and you're forced to stop moving, that's when layers aren't enough. Next episode, we're talking about emergency shelters. The one essential most people carry and hope they never have to use. Like and subscribe to my channel so you are notified when it drops. And I'll see you on the trail.